Another tip that I can give you guys is to hire the right contractor for you. The one that feels you good, the right that you have the right energy, and the one that is licensed, bonded, and insured. One good reason I can tell you about licensed contractors, bonded and insured, is worried-free. That means when you hire a licensed contractor, that he can work in your house, and in mistakes happen, break tiny pipe that can blow up the entire house. So you need to have insurance, license, and bond.